How to fix microphone echo problem on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix microphone echo problem on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your control panel. After you open up your control panel, make sure that the category view by is on category right here, and you should see something like this. Head over to hardware and sound. And under hardware and sound, you will find the sound option right here. Tap on sound. After you tap on sound, here this pop-up should come up and head over to the recording option. Right here, you will see different options here. So what you'll need to do is you can right click on your device, then tap on properties, and here you can check for your levels. Now you can choose the level which gives you the least echo, and you can come back here. Also turn off enable audio enhancements. Then tap on apply, then tap on OK. After you do that, here you will see another option that says stereo mix. Here you can right click on it and disable it. So by disabling this will also help you reduce your echo. So if you have any other microphone or anything else that you use, you can right click on it and set it as default. Let's tap on this and then tap on set default to set it on your microphone on default. Then tap on OK. Make sure to tap on apply before that and you should be good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.